Hi guys, how you all doing? It's your girl Etinosa. So today guys, I am here with another review concerning the product I've been using for a while now, and it's been doing wonders to my skin, and I decided to show you guys and tell you guys about the product. And quickly before we go into the review, I want you guys to, for those of you who have already subscribed to my channel, I thank you so very much. Like, I really do appreciate you guys, and you guys have been keeping me going, because if not for you guys, I don't know if I'm going to keep up with this YouTube thing. But you guys have really encouraged me, and I'm so glad that you guys did, and I'm so very happy, and I thank you guys so very much. And if you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so to be notified each time I'll be uploading a new video. And I hope you guys like this video. If there's any comment, please put your comment down below and we'll definitely reply you. So guys, the product that we are going to be talking about here today is this vitamin C anti-aging brightness serum. So guys, I got this product about 2 weeks ago or thereabouts. So, and me and my brother have been using this product, and it has been working, like it has been working like mad. So for those of you who have been looking for a very good vitamin C serum, a very good anti-aging product that you want to use, I would recommend this vitamin C serum to you guys, because I'm using it and I know the effects on my skin. I know how it's working. And another thing I like about this product is it's very gentle on our face. You know, normally or naturally, sometimes it's better to use a very gentle, a very gentle product on our face, because our face is very tender and soft, so we wouldn't want to destroy our face with some harsh products. So I'd rather introduce you or refer you to this product. So this is how it is. So as you guys can see, it's almost gone, so it's almost finished rather. So we'll be using it for a very long time, and it's really working. And it will buy. Another thing I like about this product is when I use it and I go out, guys, you need to see how glowy my face will look. Like, it glow my face a lot. So just that most people will be asking me, did you use groundnut oil to rub your face? You know how Nigeria ask some funny questions. So the product is actually nice, and secondly, it's going to brighten your face. If you are looking for a very good a product that will turn your face, try to get this. And it's very gentle, it's soft, it's gentle, it will not damage your face, it will not damage your face. I'm saying that again because I'm using it and it's working fine. And another thing that I love about this product is the scent, guys. The fragrance is mad, it's too good. Actually, when you're using it, you just feel that orange fragrance, orange scent. Like, the fragrance is really nice. Like, it's nice. So guys, if you're looking for a very good anti-aging product, I would recommend this one to you. In case you can't get this particular one, there are a lot of hundreds of vitamin C serum outside the or inside the market rather. Sorry, there's a lot of vitamin C serum in the market that you can get. So it must not be this particular one, it must not be this brand. So you can actually get a lot of different vitamin C serum. You can get a lot. And guys, please, before you use this product, or rather before you buy any other vitamin C serum, I would advise you to do your own research, because before I bought this product, I did my research before I got it. So I was having about 2 different vitamin C serum in my mind to buy, but I couldn't see the other one. I was able to get this one. So I would advise you to do your own research to know how far or how good the product is, because sometimes it's not good to jump into products all because other people are using it, because my skin and yours are not the same. So guys, please, before you buy this product or before you buy any other vitamin C serum, guys, please do your own research. Try to read it before you buy. Know how the product works, know how it is on the skin. So guys, if you're looking for a very good vitamin C serum, anti-aging serum, try to get this particular one or any other vitamin C serum. Like, it's really good, it will help you. So guys, that's it for now. Just in case you like this video and you want me to do more of other product review, guys, I want you guys to comment down below, say whatever you want to say, then I'll definitely reply your comment, and I love you guys so very much. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my video. Thank you guys for encouraging me by subscribing. Thank you guys for loving me, and I love you guys so very much. I love you guys so much. Like, I love you guys. God will continue to bless you and stay safe. Thank you so much. Bye. See you in my next video, and please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. Bye.